Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today I am working on a 2010 Honda Accord. This is the 2.4 liter. I am going to show you guys how to change the engine air filter on this car. The first thing you want to do is locate the air box. The air box is on the driver's side right here. The driver's side, right behind the battery. So this is the driver's side, battery, air box. You got three clips. You got one here, you got the other one here, and then this is your mass airflow sensor. You got another clip back here behind your mass airflow sensor. You got one right there, two right there, three right here. Once you take those three clips off, pick up, kind of push towards the front like that. You see, because there's two tabs back here. They interlock in order to hold the box enclosed. So you push this way and you pull up, just like this. Very easy. Ladies, once again, you guys can do this too. Save yourself some money. The filter's in here. You guys can see they opt out for a red one. This is the filter. Pay attention to the directions. It goes in like this. This is the passenger side, driver side. Just like I was telling you guys, they have a thick side and a thin side, right? Pay attention. If you guys, if it's easier for you guys, the pointy part goes towards the passenger. Get your new filter, pick up the old box, insert your new filter like this. Pay attention, make sure it sits in the lip like this, nice and flush. Back here, I was telling you guys, there's these two tabs right here. One, two. Make sure you insert these two tabs first. They go in. Push down. Like that. It's in. There you go. It's nice and flush. It's in. See? Lock your tabs. 1, 2, 3. There you go. You guys just completed changing the engine air filter on your 2010 Honda Accord. Thanks, guys. Once again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Always, number one, be safe.